Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. You must have an Oracle client or Instant Client installed that matches the database version. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, set Oracle Home and append its bin to path so the SQL Plus program is reachable from any shell. Make sure your machine can reach the database host on port 1521 and that you know the correct service name. These items let you attempt an initial connection without delay. Now you configure connection details and handle the more complex middle steps. You can add a TN's names, Aura entry for a reusable alias, or use sconnect like user/password at host 1521/service for quick tests. Choose the option that fits your environment. Once done, update SQLnet. Aura for timeouts or required encryption. This avoids unexpected disconnects. Finally, run SQL Plus with the target credentials and watch the output. Error codes immediately tell you whether authentication, networking. Finish by locking down settings and resolving last problems. You should secure credentials, use OS authentication, Oracle wallets, or protected files. Never leave passwords in plain text within startup scripts. Once done, configure NLS lang and character set to prevent garbled output and enable client tracing only when diagnosing. If SQL Plus still fails to connect, reproduce the issue, collect the SQL Plus trace and listener logs, and then inspect error messages. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.